Nvidia's monthly market bias is currently green, and the last time that this happened, the stock broke out 394% from January 2023 to January 2025. And more importantly, if we actually take a look at the results of entering when the BX was green and exiting when the BX went red over the past 14 years, you would have made a 22,000% return across 9 positions with a win rate of 67%. And the best part of all, your average win, 254%, giving you a risk versus reward of 22.9 to 1. And in this video, I'm going to show you for free how you can set this indicator up on your own, and more importantly, how you can use it to replicate these trades yourself. Now, I want you to understand that this is not just for traders, right? If I'm a long-term investor, I am focusing on this because the average position being held here is usually 10 to 20 months. And as a long-term investor, I want to only be holding onto a position when institutions and big money is holding onto a position. So this is not just for traders. This is for everybody. Now, to set up the BX Trender and get our proprietary settings, all you have to do is just go to the link in the description and take our BX Trender Masterclass series. It's going to show you in less than 30 minutes how to set this indicator up, as well as the specific settings that we use. Now, if we zoom out onto the chart first, I want to show you this monthly time frame. This means that each one of the candles that you are seeing on the chart represents 1 month of trading action. Now, as we said, if you are somebody who is a trader, this is for you. But even if you're someone who's a long-term investor, you should be focusing on this. And if you want to learn how to simply read charts, we also have a free charting foundations course, which will show you how to interpret chart data and read candlesticks. Now, the BX Trender is going to look like this indicator here at the bottom of your screen. It works very simply. When the BX Trender is green, it means that buyers are in the market. When the BX Trender is red, it means that sellers are overtaking the market. Very simply, we only want to be in the market when buyers are in control, and we don't want to be in the market when sellers are in control. Now, going back to our actual statistics right now, I want you to understand that we're not winning every single trade or every single investment. As you can see here, we only have a 67% win ratio. And if we actually look at my performance over the past 4 years, I only have a 62% win ratio. So this idea that you have to be making money every single time that you put money on the line is ridiculous. What you need to be doing is making sure that you have outsized returns for the small amount of risk that you are going to take on. Now, here's what's even crazier. With that 22,000% return, the worst that your portfolio would have ever pulled back was 30%. Now, the reason that this is the case is because, like we said, our average win is 254%, and our average loss is only 11%. So the limited times that we are losing, it is microscopic relative to the maximum breakouts that we're having. And this is what gives us a risk versus reward ratio of 22.9 to 1. Now, I want you to understand how ridiculous that is. Imagine that you sit down at a blackjack table or roulette, and you have a statistical edge where you are going to win that hand or that game of roulette 67% of the time. On top of that, if you win, you're getting paid $254. And if you lose, you're losing $11. I would sit there and I would play that game over and over and over again until the casino eventually banned me, because that is a money printer. Doesn't mean that I'm going to make money today or tomorrow, but over time, playing that statistical edge out long term, I am going to print money. Now, the other thing to notice here is the average length of a trade is 12.4 months. So that means we're not sitting here looking at the charts every day. We're not sitting here wondering what's going to happen. We are holding positions for multiple months, or in some cases, multiple years. This last move here was 2 years of breaking out. Now, we very simply enter when the BX Trender flips green, as you can see at the bottom of your screen down here. Once the BX Trender flips green, this is our indication to enter. When the BX trender is red, as you can see right here, this is our indication to exit the position and walk away. In most cases, when the BX trender is red, price is going to pull back. But more importantly, even if it doesn't pull back massively, it normally means that price is not going to break out. And so why would we want to tie up our capital for multiple months to potentially multiple years in a stock that is not going to move? It just doesn't make sense. I'd rather take that money and put it in something else that is going to move. So, for instance, going back to 2015, we would have made 800% on this multi year rally. We would have taken a small 24% loss, and then we wouldn't have traded this for close to 1 year, actually a little bit more. From July of 2018 to October of 2019, we would have sat out of Nvidia and then bought on that next breakout. Now, this is very important too, even looking at financial crises. For instance, if we look at Nvidia during the '08 financial crisis and recession, we would have stopped trading this in January of 2008, and we would have sat out for nearly 1 year. While the market was pulling back 40% and Nvidia was pulling back 70%, you would not have had to have dealt with all of that bullshit. You would have sat out, you would have been waiting patiently while the whole world was burning and the market was burning. You would have been sitting back waiting and plotting for your potential entry. Same deal with the 2000 dot-com bubble, right? You would have been out through 2000. And then when we had this massive crash here in 2002, you would have sat out of that position until March of 2003. So once again, while Nvidia dumped 87% in a single year, you would have not had to worry about that. And that is the power of using a very simple yet very strong strategy like this. You're never wondering, when do I buy? When do I sell? You know exactly what to do and when to do it. And not only that, the returns are insane. If you want to learn the entire strategy and set up that indicator for free, the link to that course will be down in the description. We also have 11 other courses in sequential order teaching you my entire trading strategy with all of our other indicators included.